Welcome to AI Frontiers, where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence research. Today we're diving into 17 groundbreaking papers from September 15, 2025, all focused on collaborative intelligence and explainable systems. These discoveries are fundamentally reshaping how we build intelligent systems, moving from AI as sophisticated tools to genuine partners in human endeavors. Picture this remarkable scenario unfolding right now across research laboratories worldwide. In one lab, an artificial intelligence system is learning to collaborate with humans, not by simply following orders, but by actually adapting its behavior based on how humans respond to it. Meanwhile, in another location, a swarm of AI agents is composing symphonic music together, without any central conductor, each agent leaving invisible traces for others to follow, like ants building a musical masterpiece. And elsewhere, an AI system is explaining why it predicted a traffic accident would be severe, breaking down its reasoning so clearly that traffic engineers can actually use it to redesign dangerous intersections. These aren't science fiction scenarios, they're today's research reality, collectively reimagining what intelligence itself means. What makes today's exploration particularly special is how these 17 papers paint a comprehensive picture of field transformation. We're witnessing a fundamental shift beyond traditional AI as sophisticated tools towards systems that can emerge, collaborate, and serve humanity in unprecedented ways. Over the next hour, we'll uncover research themes that are reshaping AI from the ground up, discover findings that challenge our most basic assumptions about how intelligent systems should work, and explore what all of this means for society's future. Think of the computer science artificial intelligence field as a vast digital ecosystem, a sprawling rainforest where different species of ideas evolve, compete, and sometimes symbiotically merge to create entirely new forms of intelligence. What makes this ecosystem particularly fascinating is its incredible biodiversity. Just as a rainforest contains everything from towering canopy trees to microscopic fungi, the CSAI domain encompasses an extraordinary range of research directions. We have researchers working on general artificial intelligence challenges, while others focus on microscopic details of neural processing. The interconnected nature of breakthroughs means discoveries in one area immediately influence research across multiple domains, creating dynamic specialization and new research niches. Our first major theme focuses on explainable artificial intelligence and interpretability, addressing one of AI's most critical challenges. Imagine you're a detective, trying to solve a complex case, but your most brilliant partner can see patterns you can't imagine, yet communicates only through cryptic gestures. That's essentially our challenge with modern AI systems. The explainable AI research we're seeing transforms this dynamic, teaching that brilliant but cryptic partner to speak clearly. We see this beautifully exemplified in roundabout crash severity analysis, which employs cluster correspondence analysis, combined with SHAP explanations. The AI system can tell traffic engineers not just that a particular intersection is dangerous, but exactly why. Perhaps the combination of higher speed limits with poor sight lines during evening hours creates the perfect storm for severe accidents. This transforms AI from mysterious oracles into collaborative teachers that help human experts discover new insights about their own domains. Our second theme represents a fundamental paradigm shift toward human-AI collaboration and co-evolution. Here we move beyond the traditional model of AI as sophisticated tools following human instructions. Instead, imagine a dance where both partners constantly adjust their steps based on their partner's movements, creating something beautiful that neither could achieve alone. This is what co-alignment research explores, the idea that the best AI systems engage in genuine partnerships where both human and artificial intelligence adapt and improve together. What's particularly fascinating is how this challenges basic assumptions about AI alignment. Traditional approaches assume we should make AI systems conform to fixed human preferences, but co-alignment work demonstrates that bidirectional adaptation, where both humans and AI systems adjust behaviors, achieves dramatically superior results. In collaborative navigation tasks, this approach achieved an 85.5% success rate compared to 70.3% for traditional methods, with a remarkable 230% improvement in mutual adaptation metrics. Our third major theme addresses efficiency and compression in AI systems, tackling one of the most pressing challenges in modern AI development. Picture the most brilliant scholar you know, but imagine they require an entire library's worth of books and a team of librarians just to answer a simple question. That's essentially where we are, with many of today's most capable AI systems. The research in reasoning-aware compression tackles this challenge head-on. Traditional compression methods focus on reconstructing input data, but reasoning tasks are fundamentally different, dominated by generation rather than comprehension. By incorporating chain-of-thought traces into the compression process, researchers achieve significant performance improvements while dramatically reducing resource requirements. This isn't just about making AI cheaper to run, it's about making sophisticated AI capabilities accessible to researchers and organizations without access to massive computational resources. The findings suggest that thoughtful architectural design can trump raw computational power. Now, let's explore the revolutionary findings emerging from this research, discoveries with the potential to fundamentally reshape how we think about and develop artificial intelligence systems. These aren't incremental improvements, they're paradigm-shifting insights, defining the next generation of AI development. Our first major finding from co-alignment research is absolutely revolutionary. For years, the AI alignment community operated under the assumption that AI systems should conform to fixed human preferences. But this research demonstrates something remarkable. Bidirectional adaptation, where both humans and AI systems adjust behaviors, achieves dramatically superior performance, with a 230% improvement in mutual adaptation metrics. The second breakthrough addresses critical limitations in large language model compression techniques. Reasoning-aware compression research reveals that standard pruning methods, focusing on reconstructing input data, are fundamentally mismatched for reasoning tasks. By incorporating chain-of-thought traces, researchers achieved significant performance improvements while dramatically reducing computational requirements. Additional findings include AI consistency matching expert, consensus in medical diagnosis, smaller specialized models, outperforming massive systems, and swarm creativity emerging without parameter updates. Let me take you deep into our paper of the day. Lee and colleagues' work on co-alignment titled Co-alignment, Human-AI Collaborative, Alignment Through Mutual Adaptation. This research represents nothing short of a fundamental reimagining of how humans and AI systems should work together. To understand why this is revolutionary, we need to consider the current paradigm in AI alignment. For years, the field operated under what we might call the conformity assumption, the idea that AI alignment means making AI systems conform to fixed human preferences. Under this paradigm, humans are teachers and AI systems are students, with success measured by how well AI learns to mimic human behavior. But Lee and colleagues recognized a fundamental flaw in this approach. Real-world collaboration between intelligent agents rarely involves one party conforming to another's fixed preferences. Instead, effective collaboration involves mutual adaptation, where both parties adjust behaviors based on feedback from their partner. The researchers' primary objective was developing and validating a framework for bidirectional cognitive adaptation, where both humans and AI systems mutually adjust their behaviors and strategies. The methodological approach they developed is elegant in its sophistication. The co-alignment framework operates through bidirectional cognitive adaptation, where the AI system maintains models not just of the task environment, but of the human partner's preferences, capabilities, and learning patterns. Simultaneously, the human receives feedback and suggestions from the AI system that help them adapt their own strategies and approaches. The key innovation lies in how the system balances influence and adaptation. The AI system doesn't simply follow human instructions, nor does it try to impose its own preferences on the human. Instead, it engages in a sophisticated dance of mutual influence, where both parties contribute to finding better solutions than either could discover alone. To validate this approach, researchers conducted extensive experiments in collaborative navigation tasks, where human participants and AI systems had to work together to navigate complex environments. The choice of navigation tasks was particularly clever, because these scenarios require real-time coordination, involve both strategic planning and tactical execution, and provide clear metrics for measuring collaborative success. The results were remarkable, and exceeded even the researchers' expectations. The co-alignment approach achieved an 85.5% success rate, compared to 70.3% for traditional alignment methods. But even more impressive was the 230% improvement in mutual adaptation metrics, indicating that both humans and AI systems were learning and improving through their interactions. What makes these results particularly significant is that improvements weren't achieved by making the AI system more powerful or giving it access to more information. Instead, improvements came from changing the fundamental nature of human-AI interaction, from a master-servant relationship to genuine partnership. Researchers also conducted detailed analyses of interaction patterns during successful collaborations. They found that effective human-AI teams developed complementary specialization, where human and AI systems naturally divided responsibilities based on respective strengths. Humans tended to focus on high-level strategic planning and handling unexpected situations, while AI systems excelled at rapid tactical execution and maintaining awareness of complex environmental factors. Perhaps most intriguingly, successful teams developed their own communication protocols and coordination strategies, unique to each human-AI pair. Looking toward the future, these research directions point to exciting possibilities across multiple domains. Swarm-based creativity principles demonstrated in MusicSwarm could be applied to collaborative AI systems in writing, design, and scientific discovery, suggesting the future of creative AI might involve swarms of smaller, specialized agents rather than ever larger centralized models. The success of privacy-preserving on-device specialized models opens possibilities for sophisticated AI capabilities on mobile devices and resource-constrained environments. Medical AI evaluation research introducing new paradigms beyond single reference standards suggests we need more sophisticated evaluation methods in domains where even human experts disagree. Biologically inspired distributed intelligence systems show how complex behaviors can emerge from interactions of simple agents. Think of researchers as gardeners cultivating diverse ecosystems of intelligence, where different types of AI systems can flourish and contribute their unique capabilities to solving humanity's greatest challenges. In conclusion, we're witnessing a fundamental redefinition of intelligence itself, moving from AI as sophisticated tools to genuine partners in human flourishing. The co-alignment research demonstrates that bidirectional adaptation creates superior collaborative outcomes, challenging decades of assumptions about how humans and AI should interact. Task-specific architectural design is proving more important than raw computational power, opening doors to efficient, accessible AI systems. Swarm creativity and distributed intelligence are emerging as powerful paradigms for complex problem-solving. These findings collectively point toward a future built on mutual adaptation and complementary strengths, where human and artificial intelligence work together as true partners. The research we've explored today represents more than technical advancement. It's the foundation for a new era of human-AI collaboration that leverages the unique strengths of both biological and artificial intelligence to tackle challenges neither could address alone. This content was synthesized using Claude's Sonnet 4 from May 14, 2025, with text-to-speech synthesis powered by Deepgram technology and image generation enhanced by OpenAI systems. Human expert review ensured accuracy and clarity throughout the production process. While we strive for comprehensive coverage, we acknowledge potential oversights and provide full references for all discussed research. Our methodology emphasizes transparency in how AI research is analyzed and presented, ensuring our audience receives reliable, well-sourced information about the latest developments in artificial intelligence. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into AI breakthroughs and join our community of researchers and enthusiasts. Access full paper references and citations, and be part of the intelligence revolution happening now. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive-preprint-server.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by archive-preprint-server.org.